How are you guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I'm going to go ahead and go over your language and literature week assignments. So, first thing, may the 4th be with you. It is Star Wars Day. So, I hope you're enjoying the Force today. So the first thing you're going to do on Monday, May 4th, is you are going to be watching this short video. You click here to press
From
play.
IRL gatherings to online hashtag movements, Star Wars Day is a time for fans to rejoice and reflect on how much Star Wars has impacted our lives. But why limit it to just one day? There's so much Star Wars for us.
So you're going to watch this. Once you're done watching it, you're going to answer this question. Why do we celebrate May 4th as the official Star Wars day/month? You're going to find that information after you watch this video. Then I want to ask you one more question on Monday, May 4th. Will you be celebrating May the 4th? May the 4th be with you. If so, why or how? So here you're going to tell me, yes, I'm celebrating it by, or no, I'm not celebrating it. And I'm not celebrating because I've never watched Star Wars. I did include a video here. This is from an Australian university. And it's their orchestra playing the Star Wars song, which I thought was phenomenal. So it's a quick video where they used it as advertisement to advertise for their university to try to get more students to enroll. So you can play it as you type and you answer this. If not, you don't have to play it. It's up to you. But tell me if you're celebrating or not. I am actually celebrating because I do like Star Wars, and how I'm celebrating it is I am going to watch Star Wars from the moment I wake up tomorrow until I go to sleep. So I purposely have been working very hard since last week and this weekend to upload all of your assignments. So then tomorrow I just respond to emails and I get to watch Star Wars all day long. So that's how I will be celebrating. May the 4th be with me. So tell me how you will. And that's all for Monday. Not much. Tuesday, you are going to read a poem that is called I'm Offering This Poem by Jimmy Santiago Vaca. And you're going to be able to find it on No Red Ink. I'm also going to upload the PDF along with this PowerPoint if you choose to read it from the PDF. Here, once you go onto No Red Ink, it's going to appear like this, where you're going to click on the link to open up the PDF of the poem. It's a very short poem. After you read it, you're going to answer this prompt, which, do you agree with the speaker that love is all anyone needs to live? Write at least one paragraph to explain your answer. I want you to focus on telling me the reasons and examples of why you are persuading the reader of yes, all you need love to live, or not. You type your answer and you submit on No Red Ink. Then on a Wednesday, our writing begins, and you're going to be looking and analyzing at the same poem, but this time you are writing your own poem. So you're going to write your own. I'm offering this poem to your mom or guardian. At least 10 lines need to start with the same lines as in the poem, except you need to replace the word poem with things such as objects, such as a potted plant or an iPad, something amongst those lines. My hope is that this poem becomes your gift for your mom or your loved one on Sunday for Mother's Day. That's up to you. So here you're going to type your poem. Don't forget to put your title. If you're going to use the same title, then put, I'm offering this poem to you. Okay? Once you're done typing your poem, something I'm suggesting on Wednesday is for you to write, I'm offering this poem on a blank piece of paper and decorate it. Be creative so you can give this as a gift on Sunday for Mother's Day to your mom or to your loved one. So I hope you do. Then on Wednesday, I am feeling like this. You will be working on your last and final essay for 6th grade. I cannot believe that our year is winding down. So, believe it or not, time in 6th grade is quickly ending. It's time to write our final essay. You will be reading the sources this week and writing your essay next week. So this week, you're only going to watch your first source and read your second source. On Monday, you will be reading your third source, and then you will have your essay for next week. So, make this one count. It's our last essay. And here is a grading rubric before you start looking at the writing prompt. You need to establish an unfolding plot, which is exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. You have all of those. all of that information in your L&L spiral if you forgot. So go back and revisit those notes. That's why we take notes, so we can use them as a resource as we need them. Then you also need to make sure your ideas are organized logically. That means your exposition is at the beginning, it's not at the end. And it's in this order. Once you have done that, check off when completed. Purposely, I put a check off here so you can copy and paste on the other parts if you do not know how to insert a special character. Uses dialogue and descriptive details. Don't forget with dialogue, you have your quotation marks. Don't forget, once you start them, end them. Don't leave that person hanging. Don't leave them talking. So make sure you go over the rubric and you include all of that. And on Thursday, you're going to read the prompt. And here's the prompt. You are sitting in a science class and you're learning about the Mars One mission and how people are being sent to Mars to explore and are never returning. You find this very interesting and begin to daydream about what life on Mars would be like. Your teacher catches you daydreaming in class. You tell the truth. You were just daydreaming about what she was talking about in class. She doesn't believe you. She says that if it is truth, then you should be able to write a narrative telling her about your daydream. You must write a multi-paragraph narrative about a day in the life of an astronaut living on Mars. So when you write your story, find ways to include the information and details from the sources you're going to read, because there are nonfiction sources. So here's your source number 1, and it is a background video on the Mars One project, which is really happening.
Mars One will establish human settlement on Mars in 2023.
Which is coming up pretty soon. Believe it or not, a lot of people submitted applications to be part of this project, which was pretty interesting. So you're going to watch this video. Don't forget to take notes, because some of this information you might want to use in your narrative. Like maybe you're going to say, I'm going to be I was selected as one of the astronauts that gets to participate in the Mars One project. So I'm being sent up there with my best friend, and tell me about that. Source number 2, you'll read on Friday. So first of all, happy Friday. Your source number 2 is titled Mars One Mission, a one-way trip to the Red Planet in 2024 by Ian Sample. I'm going to upload this Word document onto Google Classroom. So you are going to go and open up the attached document. You're going to read source number 2. It's on page 3 of that Word document. And don't forget to take notes on that one. Okay. Lastly, I want to wish you a happy weekend. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to show your appreciation and love for your mom or your loved one on Sunday, Mother's Day. So I included this cute little GIF for Mother's Day and my Bitmoji of it's the weekend. So I hope you have a great week. I hope you enjoyed May 4th, May 5th, and Mother's Day that's coming up. And I hope you disconnect on Sunday and you totally make it about being with your family, enjoying this beautiful weather we're having as we start unwinding our 6th grade year. Have a great day, scholars. I will see you. If you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.